I love sending my students to the Reading and Writing Center because it helps them with their writing process. They can go and speak with the tutor and meet with the tutor at every stage of the process, whether it's just brainstorming for half an hour or so, whether it's drafting or outlining, organizing their ideas. I think that's one of the best aspects of the Reading and Writing Center because they can meet with someone wherever they are.
I recommend the Reading and Writing Center. The majority of my students who attend regularly understand the material better and consequently receive A and B grades the majority of the time.
I love the Reading and Writing Center at Wolfson. The tutors are extraordinary, the resources are great, and I urge all my students to take advantage of their services.
The Reading and Writing Center has been a wonderful place for students to be able to register for tutoring sessions, either virtually or in person. They also provide workshops. In addition to grammar concepts and writing concepts, like what is a thesis statement, how to better develop body paragraphs, I like that they have this focus on literature and authors. So we always get a flyer that lets us know, we, the faculty, what particular author is being showcased, and students can go in person and then attend online as well. So that's the beauty of the technology these days. Another wonderful, valuable tool that they have is that they send the instructor a detailed report of the student with the student's name, student number, what the reason the student went into the tutoring session for, what was reviewed during that session.
I really enjoy about the Behind the Author series is having my students connect the biography of the authors to the literature. Oftentimes I think students just read a text, see a name, and then they don't know anything else beyond about like the author's life, their experiences, how those experiences are interwoven into the text. For tutoring, which has been fantastic, and I always encourage my students to go to the tutors before writing, during writing, and even after they've written something. They've paid for these services through tuition. They're wonderful. Please use them.
Whenever I initiate a presentation from this center, it always comes with professionalism and eager approach to make sure the students understand what is involved. I can testify to this dedication and this academic care as well as nurturing in these presentations on citations. The students who attend pay rapt attention and they take copious notes. Sometimes they take more notes than in my classroom. But really no, the questions are answered promptly and efficiently. But the end product of all this is evidenced by the quality of the research projects.
They're great, they're knowledgeable, they're patient, they will not write your paper, but you'll come out with a great paper.
In the Honors College specifically, we've worked together and she's put seminars together for our Thursday colloquia on how to apply or how to effectively do a transfer application or a scholarship transfer application.
I've had such good experiences with sending my students for help with their assignments, particularly their essays, but other assignments as well. The tutors know about my course. They have the guidelines for my written papers, so they are really able to help the students in great detail. I also like it very much that I get a written report on each student's tutoring session, so I can see how the student is doing, what they worked on, and what else the student might need to work on in the future. I want to say thank you so much.
3 cheers for the tremendous work.
Thank you very much to the Reading and Writing Center.
Wonderful services. All of our students should be going, and not just before the papers are due. And wonderful hours, flexible hours, both in person as well as online. So please go to our wonderful writing center here at Wolfson.
I thoroughly enjoy sending my students to the Reading and Writing Center and what an asset it is to the Wolfson Campus.
Go to the Writing Center.